In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time track tasks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up the time tracking column on your board and how to start, pause, and stop a timer on any task so you can capture your work with confidence. First, let's make sure your board is ready. Open the board where you manage your work. At the top of the board, look across your existing columns until you reach the far right. Click the plus Add Column button. From the list that appears, select Time Tracking. That's it, your board now has a dedicated time tracking column. If you already see a time tracking column on your board, you're good to go and can move straight to using it. This column gives each task its own timer, so you can track exactly how long you spend on each item without juggling separate tools. Now, when you're ready to begin working on a specific task, find that task's row and look for the time tracking cell in its row. Click into it, then click Start Timer right when you begin. You should see the timer start counting up, which confirms everything is running. From this point, the timer will keep going until you pause or stop it, so you don't have to think about it while you work. Just focus on the task at hand. Use pause when you're stepping away briefly or switching context for a short moment. Pausing keeps the time you've already recorded and lets you resume later on the same task without starting from scratch. Use stop when you finish the task or reached a clear stopping point. Stopping wraps up that work session and preserves the total time you spent. If you come back to the same task later, you can start the timer again and it will continue accumulating time on that task, giving you a complete picture of your effort. A few quick tips to keep things accurate and stress-free. Make it a habit to start the timer right as you begin and to stop or pause it before you move on to something else. Glance at the time tracking column to confirm the timer icon or the live counter is active when you expect it to be. If you realize you left a timer running, just pause or stop it as soon as you notice to keep your records clean. That's all there is to it. Add the time tracking column to your board, start the timer when you begin a task, and pause or stop it as your work changes. With these simple actions, you'll capture clear, reliable data that helps you plan better, understand your workload, and show exactly where your time goes.